Now, I know what you're thinking. Plants, really? Aren't they just green things that sit around making oxygen? Well, buckle up, because today I'm going to blow your mind with 10 fascinating plant facts that prove plants are way more hardcore than we give them credit for. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your houseplants the same way again. In fact, you might start apologizing to them for forgetting to water them. Sorry. Susan the succulent. I'll do better. Life isn't just yours. It's everywhere. It's everything. And we're here to explore it all. Be curious and stay curious. Fact 1: plants communicate. Let's start with this. Plants can actually talk to each other. Not with words, obviously, unless you've been putting something really strong in your herbal tea, but through underground fungal networks known as the Wood Wide Web. Through this system, trees share nutrients, warn each other about pests, and even help sick neighbors. Basically, it's like plant Wi-Fi. So the next time you walk through a forest, just remember, you're basically walking through one giant group chat, and the gossip, incredible. Fact 2: bamboo's super speed. Bamboo is the Usain Bolt of the plant world. Some species can grow up to 90 centimeters in a single day. That's like waking up, planting a stick, and by tomorrow it's taller than your kid brother. No wonder pandas look so chill. If your food grew that fast, you'd be relaxed too. Fact 3: Earth's oldest living plant. Off the coast of Spain lives a seagrass colony that's over 100,000 years old. That means when this plant started growing, humans didn't even exist yet. This plant has literally survived ice ages, climate changes, and every fashion trend ever, which means technically, it's older than your dad's dad jokes. Fact 4: plants can hear. Plants also have the ability to hear. For example, when flowers detect the sound of bees buzzing nearby, they can produce sweeter nectar to lure them in. So yes, plants are listening, meaning if you've ever yelled at your cactus for stabbing you, congratulations, you've just emotionally scarred it. Fact 5: plants that eat animals. Some plants are done with the whole sunlight tan soil thing and go straight up carnivore. The Venus flytrap and pitcher plant trap and digest insects. It's like the plant version of fast food, except this one is really fast, and the food doesn't come back out. Somewhere, in another universe, there's probably a cheeseburger plant that dreams of eating us. Fact 6: trees make rain. Forests like the Amazon actually make their own rain. Through transpiration, trees release water vapor that forms clouds and boom, rain. So in a way, trees aren't just part of the weather, they are the weather. They're like nature's ultimate multitaskers, air filters, climate controllers, and bird apartment complexes. Fact 7: the corpse flower. Meet the Titan arum, also known as the corpse flower. When it blooms, it smells exactly like rotting flesh. Why? To attract flies and beetles that think they're heading to an all-you-can-eat buffet, basically. It's nature's prank. Come for the smell, stay for pollen. Fact 8: moving plants. Plants don't have muscles, but they can move. Sunflowers track the sun across the sky, and the Mimosa pudica instantly folds its leaves when touched. Imagine if humans did that. Someone pokes your shoulder, and you just collapse like a folding chair. Fact 9: Pondo. The cloning forest. In Utah, there's an aspen grove called Pondo. It looks like a forest, but it's actually one single organism connected by an underground root system. Pondo is estimated to be 80,000 years old, so while humans argue about who invented fire first, this plant is like, bro, I've been here the whole time. Fact 10: plants in your brain. Plants aren't just fascinating. They also mess with our brains. Coffee gives us that magical morning kick. Lavender helps us relax. And chocolate, well, chocolate makes everything better. Without plants, we'd basically be cranky, sleepless, and coffee deprived, which, let's be honest, sounds like the end of civilization. So, whether it's trees throwing underground parties, flowers tricking insects with corpse perfume, or bamboo growing faster than your Wi-Fi loads, plants are absolutely wild. Next time you step outside, take a second to appreciate the green superheroes silently running our planet, and maybe whisper a little thank you. They're listening, remember? If you enjoyed this video, don't leave without hitting that like button. Root yourself into the subscribe button and branch out by sharing this with your friends. And hey, drop a comment below. Which plant fact blew your mind the most? Thanks for watching, and remember, be curious. Stay curious.